Yeah, I tried Mike's way of planting seeds and I'm not having any success at all. I think I either got dud seeds or they are were allowed to dry out a little bit. I don't think with the tin foil didn't work for me. So we're going to try this other way, which is the paper towel method. We're going to have a container that's got a bit of water in it, as you can see. And we're going to put some roller towel into here. Get the one-handed roller towel into there. Let it soak up. Might be a little bit too wet, I think. So that's better. And then I've got some brand new seeds that I got from the hardware store. They are lettuce seeds, but now lettuce seeds are very, very small. So let's see what we can do. I've only put a couple in there. I've got them all over the place today. A couple in there. And let's see whether we can get this to grow. This apparently we're going to cover with a bit of cling film to keep the moisture in. I've never been very lucky with growing any plants from seeds. Don't know why. Maybe I'm just a little bit too impatient. Now let's just try it. There's no harm in trying. It might be a little bit too wet, I'm not sure. Thank you guys, we've reached 501 subscribers now. Well on our way, I believe, to getting ourselves closer to the 1,000. Now we need to build up the watch hours. But I also need to improve on my video making. So any help from you guys, I'd really appreciate it. Leave us a comment where you think I could actually do better. No. My videos might be a little bit boring at times, but I'm not a videographer. As you can see, I battle to say things sometimes. That's just life. Okay, and I think we're just about done. Let's get to the last little bit into the thing. Okay, that's it guys. I'm going to cover this with cling film now and keep it moist in a semi-lit area, and we'll see how it goes from today or tomorrow. Let's have a look and see what they look like. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe, much appreciated.